Hi, in this video we are going to create a program that asks the user to enter the name and the lucky number. So to do that, we are going to use cin to input from the user. So first we are going to declare two variables to hold the values for the name and the lucky number. So I'm going to declare a variable with data type string, and the identifier of our variable is name. Then another variable, integer, for our lucky number. Then we are going to prompt the user to enter the name. So we're going to cout, then please type your name. Then we're going to save or capture the name of the user using the cin, then store that to our variable name. Then we're going to prompt again our user or the user to enter the lucky number. So please type your lucky number. Then we're going to use again the cin to capture the input of the user and store it to our variable lucky number. Then we're going to display the previously entered data of the user. So we are going to cout hi, then the name of the user, so we want to greet our user by printing, for example, hi, and the name, your lucky number is the input of the user. So that's it. So let us compile and check the output of our program. So you may click the compile and run button, or simply press F11 in your keyboard. So here it is. The program will ask us to type our name, so I'm going to type my name. Then it will prompt us again to enter the lucky number, so I'm going to press 7, then click enter. Then the program will greet us, hi LENMAR, your lucky number is 7. So that is all in the input using cin.